Welcome to Nusa, Bali, a tropical paradise filled with enchanting experiences and hidden gems, ready to embark on a journey where we uncover the must-try activities in this stunning destination. Now, heading to Nusa, you can take the bypass Nusa or you can go on the new toll bridge. Now, this is quite an experience. The toll bridge is 4 kilometres long from the Sanur end, and it's 3 kilometres long from the Kuta end. Comes out within half a kilometre of Nusa, across the middle of beautiful Benoa Harbour. It really is a great experience. So check out the toll bridge on the way over. So this is Nusa, the entrance to Nusa. Now we're going to go to the left here and go through a security checkpoint first. So this is a security checkpoint. Make sure you explore the gardens of the countless fountains and statues and just the beauty of the landscape around Nusa. It's like a different world in there compared to the rest of Bali. It's so immaculately clean, manicured lawns, beautiful palm trees, countless fountains and statues. It is a must while you're in Nusa. It's so relaxing, just strolling around. We spent about an hour there just strolling around, checking out the gardens, and it is a real experience. Delve into the world of water-based adrenaline at the Water Blow. Now, the Water Blow is someplace that you have to visit. It's absolutely unreal. If there's a big swell running, it is absolutely exhilarating to watch. Witness as the powerful waves crashing against the rocks, creating a mesmerising spectacle of nature's force. So this is the best lookout point by the look of it. Start your day with a visit to the pristine beaches of Nusa, stroll along the soft sands, feel the gentle breeze and take a dip in the crystal clear waters. So here's another part of the beach at Nusa. As you can see, they've got a surf school out here with the longboards teaching them to surf. Also got lifeguards here, and where you can and you can't swim, the flags. It's a beautiful beach. It's a beautiful place to hang out for the day. Some little stalls where you can buy clothes and beachwear. It's also a nice footpath along the beach. Little restaurants along the beach. Hey bro.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
As you can see out here along the beaches, they've got everything for the kids, everything for the adults, even sand pits for the kids to play in.
If you keep it tight, love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
So there's all sorts of little warongs you can eat and buy food, rent surfboards down here, go surfing. Alright, so this is why they call it Nusa. We've got 2 islands. There's one island there and one island here. Now they've filled it in with sand. You can walk through to it. They're not really islands anymore. But Nusa Dua means 2 islands. You can just walk around up on the hill. On that side over there, there's huge statues on that island. So a lot of people come surfing just out here, and on this side of the island there's surfing. You can see a few longboard riders out there. And this is the Nusa Dua beach. These are all 5-star resorts all the way along. There's about 4 of them. See the boat coming in here. They take you out, they're glass bottom boats, and take you out the reef to have a look. So you can come for a walk up on the islands here. It's just all beautiful gardens all right around the island, temples. A lot of people just come up here and sit on the grass around under the trees and have picnics and that. It's a beautiful area. These are all little warungs where you can stop and get something to eat. Little beach trucks and beach cafes all the way along under the trees there. We can get drinks, cold drinks and coffee and food. This island's called Nusa Dua Island, Peninsula Island. This is the island we're at before. This is the second island. We'll go up and check this one out. So anyway, get out on the bike and head back home.
Lunch first.
Back home. So what do you think about that Nusa Dua, Sam?
It's fun and nice.
So we got ayam betutu.
Wow. Hungry.
So we found a nice little warung, had some lunch, and then we headed off home. Now, if you're in Bali on a holiday, make sure you head out to Nusa Dua and check it out. It is absolutely amazing out there. It's like a different world compared to the rest of Bali. Make sure you check out Nusa Dua. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Your subscription will help us greatly. Thank you, and hope to see you on the next video.